Hi everyone, it's Samantha with a Wealthy Hairstylist YouTube channel and welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about my top 5 tax write-offs as a rental hairstylist. So my number 1 tax write-off is your overhead, aka your rent. So whether you are renting a station within a salon or your own studio suite, whatever your space is, whatever your rent is that you pay, whether that's weekly, monthly, at the end of the year, you need to know exactly how much you paid working at your space. All of that is a complete write-off to run your business. My next write-off is your products. And what do I mean by products? Products are your color expenses, your tools, and your equipment. So if you own a studio suite, everything that you needed to furnish your studio suite for that year is a complete write-off. All your color. Every time you buy color, you better be saving those receipts. So even if you are paying cash, you need to save the receipt and tally it in your spreadsheet, make note of it somewhere. You need to know exactly how much you spent on all your color expenses and all your tools and your products, your equipment. Anything that you use to run and function your service will be a write-off. So you need to save those receipts. Be diligent about that. Because trust me, in the long run, when you are going to be due for those taxes and you're going to have to pay and fork out money, you're going to be wishing you had all those receipts and you knew your numbers for what you paid to function and run your business for that year. Another write-off would be insurances. And by insurance, I mean your property insurance. Does your salon that you pay rent at, do you have to pay a yearly insurance to work there? Your liability insurance and your health insurance could be a write-off as well. It just depends if you are incorporated or if you're not. So I would definitely make sure and talk to your CPA or your financial advisor. I am not any of those, but this is just what I have been doing to help run and do my business and what has worked for me. So I'm just sharing my tips and hopefully this will help you. Another write-off you could use is your cell phone and your internet. Not many people think of that as a write-off, but you use your cell phone for work, to book clients, and you need internet to run your business for all your marketing and your application forms, everything that you use, your cell phone, internet, those monthly expenses can and should be a write-off. So make note and add all those up. And my 5th write-off would be your education. Whether that's in person, online, all your education for your training as a hairstylist is a write-off. So even though it can be fun and you have to do travel, that would be a write-off. So whether you are flying, you are driving, you're taking a train, your hotel expense, the educational class, the food you eat while you are on location doing your education, all of that is a write-off. So save your receipts. Another thing that would be a write-off are are all your apps that you use for your marketing. I really love Planoly and I use Tailwind. So sometimes you could pay monthly for these apps or you have a yearly expense that renews every year. Those are write-offs. Anything that you use for marketing is a write-off. And also, sorry, I'm going to take a drink of water. And I would say for bonus write-offs for anybody who is incorporated. So if you've gone an extra step and you have incorporated your business, whether you are an LLC or a DBA, and if you are confused or you have no idea what I'm talking about, I actually have a business online educational course specifically for hairstylists on how to market and run your business, how to know your numbers, how to become an LLC, how to charge hourly. all of this is within my online educational course, which I will attach below for you. But top 3 for write-offs for LLCs and DBAs is your car payment. Yes, if you are incorporated, you can write off your car payment, you can write off your gas, and you can write off your registration and your insurance all through your business. And I will show you how to do that within my educational course. Another write-off is food. Food, you think I could write off where I eat? You bet you can. You could write off up to 50% of food expenses when you are a DBA or an LLC. And my third final write-off would be an assistant or any independent contractor that you use for your business can be a write-off. So keep track of who you're paying, what you're paying out, because at the end of the year, that could be a write-off. And if you feel you need more write-offs, within my online educational course, I will actually give you a spreadsheet with a full list of items of what I write off and my expenses are. And hopefully that can kind of help guide you in the right path to getting you prepared for your taxes coming into the new year. So if you have any questions regarding what can be a write-off for you, ask them below, and I'd be more than happy to share my insight and what I've learned throughout the years. And I hope you liked this video for my top 5 tax write-offs for a rental hairstylist. And if you are interested in becoming incorporated and want to learn how to run your business to make a better profit, all that info is in my educational course called A Wealthy Hairstylist, which will be below for you. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys back here soon. Thanks so much.